Their wonderful BD9003 blender. The striking thing about this blender is that it has their top of the line blade. This is a Japanese stainless steel blade. It's their top of the line blade. Fantastic blade. Hard and effective cutting and blending. Also, good heavy duty hoppers, okay, that fit inside here. Okay. Let's take a look at the menus. Okay, we have our power, and we have presets for different types of blends. We have sorbet, fruits and vegetables, milkshakes and smoothies, and also grains. There's our power off and power back on. We can also use this in a manual setting. We can set our time right here, less or more, and our RPM speed, our blender speed. There's speed 5, speed 6, speed 7, and then we can bring it all the way back down to speed 3. This is the sound with this closed and with it open. Let's use the BD9003 from ITOP. First, our hopper. Let's put some ice in. Let me show you how this makes fantastic crushed ice. Okay, put our hopper in. Oh, let's make sure we put our lid in. Hopper in. Door, safety door down. Okay, now we're here, as you can see, are our automatic settings, but we can also go to our manual settings. We push our DIY menu. Okay, we have our different numbers of seconds and speed. Let's go with a 6 speed. All right, here we go. All right, fantastic. As you can see, we have beautifully crushed ice. Wonderful crushed ice. In very, very fine, even particles. Fantastic. Now, let's make a little smoothie. How about some dragon fruit? Okay, let's add a little bit of dragon fruit in. Okay. Add a few pieces here. Okay. Put our lid on. Okay, now, I do want to demonstrate to you the difference in the noise as we talked about before. Okay, we're going to do this at the same speed, and I'll start it with this open. And closed. All right, let's see what we've created. Excuse me while I have some.